Have you ever found yourself dreaming of a life where your finances are under control, where you have no debt? And imagine this. You've got money left at the end of the month, maybe even a savings account that's slowly growing. Then, out of nowhere, reality hits. Your credit card's maxed out, you're still paying off that giant TV and the fancy couch you barely use, and your paycheck disappears the second it lands. Yeah, I know the feeling. But this video isn't just to complain. It's here to flip the script. I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful concepts that don't require a degree in economics or a 6-figure salary. What they do require is a shift in your mindset. Stick with me till the end, and I'll give you a bonus tip that's literally worth its weight in gold. Buckle up, because the first truth might hurt. But it's the kind of truth that sets you free. Let's talk financial literacy. In the US, we spend years learning things like algebraic equations and chemical reactions. But how many of us were ever taught what to do when our credit score tanks? No one prepares you for the real financial decisions you'll face. You're offered credit, you take it. You're offered an easy payment plan. You sign up without thinking. But what comes after? No one explains that part. Here's the truth. If you don't learn how to manage your money, you'll spend your life chasing your tail. Financial education isn't a luxury. It's survival. It's the one skill that protects you when life throws curveballs. And trust me, those curveballs are coming. A car breakdown, a job layoff, a surprise medical bill. If you don't understand how money really works, you'll be playing catch-up forever. It's time to stop hoping things get better and start preparing so they do get better. Now listen, if you still think debt is something that only broke people deal with, it's time to wake up. Debt is simply spending money you don't have. That's it. Ordered pizza and put it on a payment plan. That's debt. Bought a phone in 10 installments without saving up first. That's debt too. And the worst part? Most people are stuck in a never-ending debt loop. As soon as they finish paying for one thing, they're already on to the next. Then life hits with an emergency, and they've got nowhere to turn. More debt, more interest, more stress, living paycheck to paycheck and terrified to open the MyDevas banking app. And why? Because no one ever told them that buy now, pay later usually means pay way more later. That $1,500 TV you bought on 12 monthly payments, it's actually costing you closer to $2,000. Now think, what if you'd have saved up, paid in full, and even scored a discount? That difference? That's what builds your safety net, your emergency fund. But most people don't wait. They want now. And that mindset, that's what keeps people financially stuck. Real talk, save first, buy later. That's how smart people play the game, and then comes the classic excuse. Easy for you to say. You don't have kids. You've got a stable job. Your life isn't a mess. Fair. It's easier when things are stable. But let's shift the focus. The real question is this debt really necessary? There's a massive difference between buying groceries for your family and buying an air fryer just because it's trending. Necessary debt keeps you alive. Unnecessary debt feeds your ego. And way too many people are drowning in the latter. Riding the bus, but flexing the latest iPhone. Renting a small apartment, but rocking $300 sneakers. Credit scores trashed, but still can't resist those online sales. That's not winning. That's digging a hole you can't climb out of. And when it all falls apart, who gets the blame? The economy, the system, the government. Anything but our own lack of priorities. Deep down, we know what we're doing wrong. We just don't like admitting it. But if you're serious about change, it starts with an honest look in the mirror. Speaking of priorities, let's talk about choices. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the life you're building. Would you rather blow $200 on designer shoes that'll fall apart in 6 months, or put that same money toward a down payment on a car so you're not stuck waiting for the bus? I'm not saying you shouldn't enjoy nice things. You absolutely should. But timing is everything. Buy smart, buy when you're ready, and buy without needing to borrow. The problem is, too many people want to live rich with a poor person's mindset. They want to flex without a foundation. That's how the cycle of frustration begins, working non-stop just to pay off credit cards. No savings, no progress, just stress. That's not freedom. That's financial prison. And the truth is, you don't need to earn $10,000 a month to find peace. What you need is organization, clarity, purpose. And it starts right now with the financial decisions you make after this video ends. And finally, as promised, here's your golden nugget. Build your safety net. And no, I'm not talking about spare change you happen to save once in a while. I'm talking about a real emergency fund. Pick an amount, even if it's just $20 or $50 a month, and invest it. Don't let it sit in your checking account. It'll disappear. Put it into savings, a money market account, or a conservative investment, something that grows over time and stays untouched unless it's a true emergency. That reserve becomes your freedom. It gives you peace of mind. It lets you take risks, chase opportunities, and sleep better at night. Because when life throws that next curveball, and it will, you'll be ready. You won't panic. You'll handle it. And that's when you realize financial freedom isn't just about making more money. It's about making better decisions. So if you made it to the end, you've already taken the first step. Now, take action. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss out, and share this video with someone who needs these truths. Drop a comment and let me know which of these tips hit you the hardest. Let's talk. Let's grow. And remember, money well managed is freedom earned.